Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another comparison review of some of the affordable fitness tracker in the market. Okay, so this one, it's been in the market for over a year now, and it's very affordable. The 115 Plus smartwatch or Smartband fitness tracker. Okay, as you can see here, it has a very familiar old school design. And we have here one of the latest wearable in the market fitness tracker, affordable, the C2 Plus fitness tracker. Okay, so which is better in terms of functionality as well as design. Okay, here in our smart band, the 115 Plus, it is using the direct USB charging. Okay, so just remove the strap here. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, and it will expose the USB connector here. Okay, just plug it in any direct USB charging, okay, or USB port, and that's it. Okay, so we have here, for example, this one, just charge it like this, and that's it. Okay, so no need of an extra cable to charge your fitness tracker. Okay, very good feature for this wearable. Okay, but it has an old school design. Okay, well, for this one, okay, it is using, I think, a charging clip, if we are not mistaken. Okay, I'm not a fan also of a charging clip. I think the design, the direct USB charging, is much better. Okay, so this one, sometimes it's hard to put it directly on the power connector. Okay, so that's it. And of course, still the same micro USB or USB charging port. Okay, so in terms of the menu here, both are using touch button key. Okay, so simple UI for this wearable. Okay, color screen the same, but this one, the 115 Plus, do have a much wider display screen compared to the C2 Plus. But in terms of design, the C2 Plus do have a much better look. Okay, well, let's remove this first. As you can see here, and the strap is also interchangeable. So this one, it's a proprietary strap. I don't think you can buy an extra strap for this one, so very limited when it comes to personalization. Okay, so the menu we have here, the watch faces. Again, for the 115 Plus, you can change the watch face. Okay, so it's fixed. Only have this, I think. Let's see if it has a preloaded watch face here. So we don't have a preloaded watch face for the i11D Plus Smart Band fitness tracker. While for this one, the C2 Plus do have a support for watch faces. Okay, but the problem with this one, I think, is the support app. Okay, I really don't like the support app. Okay, we have some issues in installing and connecting the support app for this one. Okay, I think it is using the Yoho Plus or Yoho Pro. Okay, check our previous video for details. For the sports, so we have here the walking. I think this is ball games, basketball something. We have the cycling here. Okay, and that's it. So running. Okay, we have 3 sports here. Okay, we also have the automatic activity tracking and heart rate monitoring for the sports here. So it is using the Fit Pro support app Okay, so it's okay, it's stable. Also have at least 3 sports here: running, skipping, and sit up. Okay, so that's the sport. So we also have the message function here. Okay, we have weather. Okay, running, that heart rate, sleep. Okay, well, for this one we have also a heart rate. Okay, let's check. Let's go for the heart rate here. Also have the music here. Long press. So this one is automatically detecting. So blood pressure. For this one we have blood pressure, and we have blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so sometimes it's hard to activate. It is expected as this wearable do have a very limited functionality, and of course it's not the quality is very poor or poor. Okay, but of course it is very affordable. Okay, so we have here the result for the 115 plus. Okay, very fast. I don't know if it's accurate or if it's really detecting. So we have the results here for the C2 plus. Okay, so let's see the additional functions here. Long press, we have camera, anti-lost, reset, the QR code, that is the Fit Pro app QR code, and the MAC address here, or power off button. Okay, while for the C2 plus we do have, let's check, long press, we have camera also, anti-lost, theme, QR code, power off, reset. Okay, for the theme, let's check, long press. So we have this watch face, we have also this one. Okay, so it is preloaded with different watch faces. Okay, but in terms of design, this one is okay. It just has the the only thing is the screen is small, and I don't like the support app. Okay, very unstable. Well, for this one, it has a classic design. Okay, direct USB charging, so it is very easy to charge. But the problem with this one is very limited functions or features. Okay, but the support app is okay. It is using the Fit Pro support app, very easy to install and connect with these wearable and other wearables that using the Fit Pro app. Okay, that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding these two affordable fitness tracker, the 115 plus, ID115 plus fitness tracker or Smartband, and this one, the C2 plus Smartband, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.